you had given a memorandum today.
On behalf of United Goans Foundation, as an executive member, we have presented to the Speaker seeking with the subject, seeking dissolution of the PSC, that is the Public Accounts Committee, which is headed by the Congressman Bob Elton. Dissolution of the PUC committee, which is a public undertaking one, which is headed by the leader of opposition. Audit we have also subjected the thing to audit all other committees responsible for their duties, which is appointed under the Speaker. And we have asked for relevant action against the PSC and PUC committees for convening a meeting after the term has ended. Their term has ended and then they convened a meeting on the 27th. We also raise our concern over why the secretary got involved in convening a meeting when the term has already ended. The legality of actually executing a meeting should have been on the knowledge of the secretary. So our actually concern to all these happenings and our reason of this representation is because today Goa is facing severe mismanagement in government. Why is this happening? This is happening because there is no healthy opposition. There is no healthy opposition whatsoever in Goa. If there was healthy opposition, when the opposition are given roles as chairman in committees, what role have they played to present reports in the assembly for the past 23, 24 or whatever years they have been committee members? What roles have they played to highlight the wrongdoing, mismanagement of the government at works where public funds have been mismanaged? All these things could have been highlighted through reports of these days. We are not making tall claims in this. We are pointing out the failures of the committees which were given the opportunity as opposition to be leading those committees. I can understand if you are in a part of the ruling that you don't want to point out to your own government. But being in the opposition, why all have failed to point out to the wrongdoing of the government? That is a matter to be seriously looked at. We call on the Speaker to immediately dissolve these committees, because a committee that does not function to point out the mismanagement or and give solutions through reports in your assembly is not fit to continue in the next session. So we request that you dissolve and you form new fresh committees which will probably effectively work in the interest of the state and to bring proper findings in through reports and to project and give good solutions in the smooth functioning of a government. We once again say United Goans Foundation is not interested in in personally targeting anyone. We have definitely highlighted and requested to dissolve these committees because they are being opposition, they are failed to do their duties, and as concerned citizens of the state, we definitely highlight the issues that are in the interest and well-being of our state.
Thank you, sir.